So I figured I would record what is about to go down. Basically, I'm trying to reduce the cycle time on some of these parts, and I asked about feeds and speeds. And the determination was that I need to take my RPM down from 10,000 to 6,000, which is the peak torque for the pcnc 770. And I need to bump my width of cut up, so I'm taking it from 28 thousandths to about 50 thousandths of 6K RPM, and I'm lowering to 50 IPM. We could break something, or we could learn something new. Well, either way we learn something new. Probably going to start at like 2 IPM just and work up in the cut. See how it sounds. Yeah, so this is gonna be a little scary. Pucker factor 9.5. So it's going to start by facing it off. And we're holding the part down with 2 Mighty Bite 832 pit bulls. So yeah, let's face it off. And I also just reset my work offset, so I'm going to lead into it fairly slowly. Like I said, fairly slowly. Looking good. That was the easy part. Now comes the scary part. The end mill is a 3-flute YG1 Alipower end mill. We were going down 0.43 deep. I'm actually going to, slightly worried about pull out here, so I'm gonna wipe the tool holder off real good with some denatured alcohol. Gotta keep a spray bottle of that around if you don't already. It'll take flies right out of the air. Works as pepper spray in the shop, and it's good for cleaning stuff off. I'm not joking about it taking flies like straight out of the air. They go down like a rock. It's like they fly through a cloud of acid. Alright. Pretty decent amount of coolant. I think I'd like to see the RPM higher on the ramp. Can't see Jack's spot already. Here we go. Don't mind the coolant nozzle off to the side. Alright, we're getting down to the bottom here. I'm actually going to pause it and reorient my view. You guys can't see what I'm doing past it, but I can. Alright, let's see if we break something. 15% feed rate. No way. Okay, we're only at 30 IPM. I'm gonna play with a chipset, but I'm shocked. As I soak myself. I'm not gonna say I was wrong because I never said it wouldn't work. I was skeptical. Alright, we're at 45 IPM, 6,000 RPM. Oh, I had my RPM set up. I'm just slowly walking it down. Now I get some chirping noise on the adaptive both ways, and I'm still not exactly sure what causes it. I'm thinking it's recutting chips. If anybody can chime in on that, that'd be fantastic. But yeah, this is... I mean, we're at 40 IPM, so I still need to bump that up. But it's already cut the cycle time back. So we're going to start cranking the feed up. $50, $55. $60. I'm just going to let it run with that for a minute. Tell you what, that sound bothers me something fierce. I've got coolant leaks all over the place. What's it doing now? Okay. I'm really wondering if you guys can hear what it is I'm hearing. What is this adaptive? Oh, right. It was just clearing it out so I don't have a little bluff that kicks out when I'm profiling this thing out. Video's running a little longer than I was anticipating, but I could definitely beat that cut up. Okay, well, so that kind of proves that out. Let's, this part isn't even close to being done, but let's take a look and see here. I'm glad to see my part didn't pull out of a fixture at all. I've been kind of worried about that because this is the first time I've really pushed these Mighty Bite pit bulls, and you can see the part didn't pull up out at all. And my goodness, imagine that. People other than me actually know something. The chips are very, they've got, not heft to them, but pretty rigid. Usually the chips I get are very spindly and fold over well. So yeah, I'm going to call that a success. I'm going to play with that some, and I'll probably do another video just talking about kind of a process I went through and sharing some of the advice that the other Tormach operators have given me, which I appreciate that. If you guys have helped, anybody who's watching this has helped me out at all, I do appreciate your input. If I seem like I'm contesting your knowledge, it's not that I don't believe you, so I'm trying to kind of root for more information. Alright, well, thanks for watching.